Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to use the trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. And to do so it's very simple. Just open the binance.com website and then go to your profile by going in the top right corner here and then scroll down to Rewards Hub. So click on it once. Once you're here, you can scroll down and find a lot of rewards that you can take here by doing some tasks. So here there are only 3 tasks, but you can go to view more and you will find a lot of tasks where you can get some vouchers and some money out of it basically. So what we're going to do in this tutorial, just go to vouchers. Here I have 0 vouchers, but I'm going to show you anyway. Go to vouchers, so 0 vouchers, my vouchers here, click on it once. And here you have to wait a little bit and go to voucher code, right? And here enter your code. So I don't have one, as I said earlier, I don't have a voucher code, but enter your code and then this claim voucher button will be in yellow. So just click on it and voila, that's it. You have your voucher ready. Now the next time you make a trade, so here for example, if I go to make a trade like that, it will be basically without fees because I have a $20 rebate voucher. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.